Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar?
I did.
Amelia did? There's Amelia. She gave it back. She snuck one of Amelia's cookies.
I asked Mom.
Whoa, what was that?
I asked Mom.
Yeah, you like to have milk.
Not milk.
And you got two little cookies for a treat because you did good for your dinner.
I'll choose Mom.
What? What did you say?
No. No! Tell you, whoa. No. That's my door.
All right, eat your snacks. Pink.
It's piece.
Is your yogurt pink?
Ten. Eight. 10.
What is this about?
This is buh. Buh. Buh.
They think fake farting is funny. Huh?
Wow. This. Oh.
Amelia! You're a lady! You're getting chocolate on your shirt, love. Lola, does she think that's funny?
No. No.
Amelia!
No.
Who taught you that?
No. No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
No.
No. Did you teach her that, Lola?
No, it doesn't.
Did the boys teach her that?
No,
Keeps looking out the window for the boys. Honey, we have to go pick up the boys. We're going to have to get in the car and go pick up our boys.
Why says that?
Yeah.
No. Daddy.
Daddy's at work, so we're going to go do it.